Hi, it's Liam from Ray White Noosa, introducing 29 Fluttergun Place. I think you'd be amazed at what this beautiful property has to offer. Come with me, let's have a look. This stunning home offers 6 bedrooms, dual living, with a spacious self-contained 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom flat at one end. And under the same roofline, an additional 4-bedroom home attached. Located on 1.39 acres with views over the valley, a pool, beautiful tiered gardens, a 3-bay barn style shed and a level backyard for the kids to play in. The lifestyle opportunity here is second to none. In the amazing Noosa hinterland, this property is located only 25 minutes from Noosa's world famous beaches, the Sunshine Coast Airport, close to schools, transport and an easy commute to Brisbane. There you have it. What an amazing property. Now don't be mistaken, my motivated seller is ready to go. Contact me today to arrange an inspection. For more information on this property, contact Liam at Ray White Noosa on the following numbers.